How to fix Roblox not loading properly. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Roblox application on your device. So let's search for Roblox application. So as you can see, there's no option of update available for the Roblox application on my device. Rather, it says play option only. So it means that I have the latest version of the application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Roblox, then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, you just need to scroll down and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. You just have to tap on that and you can clear data, and if it's not possible to clear all data, you can just clear the cache. Next, you can go to the app permission and make sure you enable all the required options. After that, go back and tap on Roblox and the issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.